Few days ago, I have done a small survey, and what I found in that survey blew my mind. I mean, there are a lot of people who fill that form, but out of most of them were scared to speak. I mean, most of them know how important it is to speak. It may be with family, it may be with friends, it may be with some public, or it may be in front of camera, in a meeting, in a webinar, or anything. We know how it is important to speak, but still they do not find confidence within them to speak out. Whatever they are inside their mind, it's just getting buried in there. My dear friend, if you do not have confidence, then probably you are not going to get the achievements that you want in your life. Majority part of your achievements depends upon how confident you are. If you cannot communicate, then there will be opportunity in front of your eyes, but you cannot grab it. It will slip from your hand like a sand full of fists. My dear friend, it's really important that you become confident from within. And then I thought, if I can do it, I'm going to make people do it. That is why this course you are watching today. And in this course, I'm going to give you 30 techniques, and these are nothing but a challenge. It is designed in such a way that if you complete it, then it will definitely boost your confidence from within. It is something that helped me out to become confident. Trust me, there was a time when I was not confident in front of camera. There was a time when I was not confident about English. Trust me, it's really helped me out. And if it helped me out, then it can help you out as well. You know how important it is to speak in front of camera. You know how important it is to convey your feelings, convey your thoughts. It's really hard when all your thoughts get buried in your mind only. My dear friend, do not leave this opportunity. Take the course and help yourself out. It's not about giving me money or making me rich. It's more about how much you can invest on yourself in learning. And if you can do that, you can achieve everything. Now, one disclaimer, however, I have to give you, and that is, this is not going to be a quick scheme. Okay, this is not going to be a scam like that. I'm not going to promise you that you are going to get results within 1 day or 2 days or 1 week or something like that. Two things matter the most when we talk about building confidence. Number one is time, second one is experience, and both these things takes time. So it is going to take time. So if you are ready to put a little amount of time so that you can enjoy the rest of your life, being confident in front of people, being able to deliver whatever you want to say, whatever going on in your mind, then this is something that can help you out. If you are really feeling underconfident, then trust me, this is the thing made for you. Please go through the other part of the videos and trust me, they can help you out.